Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off floating clock on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. You can check here is the timing. It used to be floating, so if you want to remove it, so please continue this video. So let's move on setting. Then from here you have to move on to additional setting. Here is the additional setting. After that again you have to move on to developer option. If you don't have this option, developer option, you can check my videos that I have been upload about the developer option, how to turn on or how to set the developer option on your mobile phone. Okay, you can check it from my videos. Okay, just search the how to on developer option and you will be able to see or check it. Okay, so here what you can do is turn on the developer option, click on it. Then from here you can move on to input. You just keep scrolling and you are going to find the input. Okay, just keep scrolling and you are going to find the input on the down. Okay, so I keep scrolling, then here is the input. So if you want to off the timing, just click on this icon and the timing will be removed. Okay, floating clock. Okay, so you can remove like this. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.